Hey guys, so I'm just going to correct the homework. First one, Colin is either early, late, on time, or on time for his maths class. He has maths class twice per week. Copy and paste the two-way table, or copy and complete the two-way table to show all of the possible outcomes. So if we look here, we have early, on time and late. So you can see they've already filled one in for you, so that's late and on time, LT. They've given you a little key down here as well. L is late, T is on time. So if we fill in that table, I am going to fill in EE here because I have early and early. Then all along this row, my first letter is going to be E, and then my second letter is going to correspond to whatever's on top here. Okay, so I have early, on time, T, and early and late. On the next row, I have T for on time and early, on time and on time, and then we have on time and late, and then finally we have late and early, we have late and on time, and then we have late and late. The second part of that question then asks you to put in the letters here, so each outcome, into this table. So if we just start, if we look at the early, which is the first branch of our tree diagram, so we have early, on time, and the final one is early and late. So we're going to put an L in here and fill in that out, those outcomes in. We have E, L. Okay, and I just looked at E, T, that's that one there, E, L. Okay, the next one then we have is T, so they've already filled in on time and early for us, which is TE. Then we have TT, which is on time for both classes, and then the last one we have is TL, so TL here, which is on time and late. And then the final branch for our tree is going to be late. And they've really kind of left you in the lurch with this one, so you really have to work hard to figure this out. So we have late and early is our first one. Then we have late, and our next one is on time. And they've already filled in late and late for us. So filling those in here, we have late, early, late, on time, and late. And that's our tree diagram done. The last one then, a coin is flipped and a 9-sided spinner numbered 1 to 9 is spun. Copy and complete the two-way table below to show all of the outcomes. So if we look at this table below, they've already put down if the coin lands on heads and the spinner lands on 2. Another outcome they've put down is if the coin lands on tails and the spinner lands on 9. So I'm going to just start with doing all the heads first. So we have H1, H3, H4, H5, H6, H7, H8, H9, and then we have T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8, and that's all you had to do.